friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Zamrin UI Design. We are going to learn more about the push notification. So we have learned that how to send push notification through the Firebase, then how to open the page when you click on the notification. Now today we are going to learn uh, how to send push notification. Okay, means through API. So you can send a push notification through Postman or web or anywhere or any other sources. So let's begin. Uh, Before begin, please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed, and also like this video and share this video whoever require learn about the push notification. Okay, all the links will be shared in the description section. So let's start. In this I have give the link of the how to send push notification and how to open the page when you click on the notification. Okay, so in the console Firebase I have also uh, um, uh, I also show in the video in the previous video how to set Firebase console, how to open the account in Firebase console. So refer that video, then only you can understand this video. So in the console Firebase video, go to the project setting. In the project setting, we have cloud messaging. In the cloud messaging, make sure these two are enabled. Okay, cloud messaging API and the Firebase cloud messaging. You have to only click on the enable button. Okay, after enable, you can get this server key. This server key will use to send a push notification to the mobile. So you have to only call the API. You can also test by using the Postman. So URL is this. Use post method, and header will be authorization. Okay, and key is equal to, means you have to write key equal to this server key. Okay, if your server key is for example ABC, then your authorization will be key is equal to ABC. Okay, means this is example, the server key will be the very long. Okay, so in header you have to use authorization key is equal to server key, and content type is equal to application.json. You can also test from Postman. In the Postman, in the body section, you have to copy this and paste in your website or other sources. This is the token where you can get from the Firebase application. So this in the previous video or previous blog, you can go to there. I have explained how to get the token. You can get token, and this is notification class. In the class, it have two property, body and title. This is the body and this is the title. So here you will get the title and this will the body. I hope you understand this video. This is very simple. If you have any question, then please ask me in the comment section, in the blog or the YouTube. I will surely send you an answer. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.